It is my pleasure to announce that the 2019 Leadership Macon Class has chosen to partner with Ocmulgee Mounds National Historical Park. Today, the Leadership Macon Class of 2019 class project announcement. And what we have decided to do is partner with Ocmulgee Mounds National Historical Park and the Ocmulgee National Monument Association on a three-part class project that would be focused on education. We are going to build an outdoor classroom, also known as an amphitheater, on the property. We're going to rebuild the woodland house, and we are also going to provide STEAM trunks, science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics, that can be checked out for use on property to learn more about the civilization and cultures that were here originally. And today we announced the project with a deadline of being done in November of 2019 for fundraising and construction of everything. We kind of go through a pitch process, and that began several months ago. And I work for Visit Macon personally, and so I knew in February during the government shutdown that the woodland house had been destroyed. And our project kind of bore out of that idea of rebuilding the woodland house, and then how can we expand and make this property more accessible and more educational. So we pitched that project. A group of 7 of us worked on it, pitched it to the entire class, and then the class voted in June on this project, and we've been hitting the ground running ever since.